The season changes each quarter, which is comforting. If you missed your favorite, it'll come around again. Chapter 13. Just a season. Under a blanket of snow, the crimson splendor of the American spirit rose is hidden until spring, when the covers are lifted and the sun envelops its face. What beauty! I remember being a young girl, looking out of my window at the white blanket of snow and wondering, when will summer come? What was once anticipated with glee, the snow, snowmen, Christmas, igloos, and the like, now was a dirty, useless nuisance. And the wait, it was endless. Or at least, it felt that way. Enduring an unpleasant season in life can feel the same, like endless torture with no expiration date. No matter how many times people tell you it will get better, eventually, it doesn't seem to matter. At the moment of your darkest hour, the blackness can seem eternal. But intellectually, we know that is not true. It simply is not eternal. Like the winter season, which seems to immobilize people, send animals into hibernation, kill beautiful flowers, and freeze everything in sight, our personal life season too may immobilize us, cause us to want to sleep through it, kill our beauty, and freeze our progress. Remember, it is just a season. Eventually, the sun will shine with blazing force, melt the frozen mass, and uncover life, renewed life. We were not created like bears with the ability to simply sleep months at a time with no food, water, or exercise. So if you find yourself falling into bear behavior, this is your wake-up call. Wake up, shake it off. What will encourage you through your difficult season? The knowledge that a new one awaits you. Now, plan for the new season. It's a little like that department store visit you take at the beginning of March when it's still freezing outside. They begin displaying the swimsuits, shorts, t-shirts. Grills begin to go on sale. Weekly sales flyers showcase patio furniture. What does all of this visual marketing do? It gets you thinking, investing, and planning for what's to come. It changes your mood. It reshapes your realm of possibilities. You begin imagining maybe you'll travel somewhere exotic, or perhaps take a family trip. No matter the depths of your imagination, your future looks different from your present. So mimic the marketing strategy of the stores and begin looking at something new. Start displaying things around your home that support the season you're waiting for. Awaken your senses to the climate around the corner. Magazine pictures or whatever paraphernalia evoke the sense of change you desperately need should be displayed on your refrigerator, mirrors, and closet doors. Assess your wardrobe and begin to pull out the outfits you'll wear during your new season. Make sure you spend more time talking about your new season than the one you're in. Children know how to do this well. They can begin talking about Christmas time in September. My girls plan their next birthday the day after their last one. It stirs excitement within. It makes you hopeful and takes your thoughts off of the here and now, if but for a moment. If you find yourself in a place where you feel immobile and unable to motivate yourself, you may need to solicit the support of your doctor. Don't allow yourself to fall into a slump without seeking the help you need. It is not an admission of weakness, but an acknowledgement of love for yourself, your family, and your future.